Meet Earl. Earl and his wife love their RV. Problem is, their LED lights are dull and dirty looking. Some are burning out even though they only use their RV occasionally. How can this be? Now, meet Jim. Jim and his family also love their RV. Their LED lights, however, are super bright and strong. Plus, they have features that give their RV a cool, unique look. The difference is, Jim installed Boogie Lights on his RV. Designed, assembled, and supported right here in the USA. Boogie Lights burn brighter, are made tougher, and last longer. That's because Boogie Lights aren't like any other LED lighting system. Boogie Lights are built tough to withstand harsh outdoor environments on vehicles that move, flex, and vibrate. And with features like wireless on-off, dimming, color changing, color programming, and even Bluetooth smartphone control, Boogie Lights outshine and outlast the others. Boogie Lights gives your RV a unique look while also providing functional lighting for every situation. So, let's recap. Their lights, Boogie Lights. Theirs, Boogie Lights. Pretty obvious choice. Visit us online or call us today to learn more why Boogie Lights are the best.